Woo! Africa Twin, Ténéré, new helmet, James, paying for gas. We're gonna try some Devil's Canyon stuff today. And hopefully it goes well. Hopefully we can actually do it. It's a little bit more technical than Brawlins Pass, but a lot more dirt, a lot of fun. So, woo!
Yep. Shit, dude, I'm so sorry. Oh my God, are you okay?
I'm good. I'm good.
Oh. No, I hit that. Holy. Yeah, this is a little sketchy, man. What would have happened? Dude, I'm so sorry.
I'll pick your bike up.
I don't think we should go any further.
Okay, that's fine.
Well, I'm worried about your bike.
It'll be fine. Let's give it a second. We're good. Hey, do you want to go? Do you want to keep going, or do you not want to do it?
I don't know, man. That kind of shook me up.
Well, I mean, you want to go first, and
That's the worst of it back there.
there's one other rocky section that we can assess.
Whether we keep going or turn around, I don't want to mount up here, so I'm probably going to back my bike up a little bit.
Okay, sounds good. All right, I'll get out of your way.
Okay. I don't know if it's the smartest thing for me to keep going.
Okay. Oh, yeah, let's get.
I think we need to get to Safeway.
Yep.
I need to get this bandage, and then we can.
Okay.
I didn't realize until I looked down, I saw that quad, and I was like,
Take your time.
"Oh, I will be. Don't worry."
let's assess the damage.
I think if we go the safe way, I can get some gauze and clean it up and wrap it.
Okay.
I'm wondering if I might need stitches.
I think, yeah, you might need stitches.
Well, I'm a dumbass. That's not a dumbass. Are you okay with it? I hit
I'm
you.
completely unscathed.
Okay. The bike's good.
Yeah, this did its job. Yeah.
I think my handlebar guard got tweaked a tiny bit, but that's not the end of the world.
Yep. No, it's just passenger peg scratched. These are fine, GoPro's fine. This took most of it, and I can put some spray paint on that. So
All right.
let's not worry about it.
I don't know what happened. Like I was feeling fine, and boom.
Yep.
That was scary.
Yeah, it was scary hearing oh shit, and seeing you. We made it to Safeway. James isn't dead, but the ride was cut short.
If you want some carnage for the video.
No, I don't want. No, this is, no, we're not doing the carnage.
It's safe? Okay.
All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, running through damage.
Nothing really. Bars did their work. So that is the only scuff. Can you even see it?
And then right here. And then James got some damage there, plus some issues on his Pepcos. Oh, on both sides, jeez. The biggest thing though is his dignity. And so I got rear-ended by James on the bike. Going up Devil's Canyon, he comes up from behind and somehow ends up clipping me right here on my rear crash bars, which then pushes me over to the right. And the only other damage was where the bike collected the ground. Just a couple scratches. So what we're gonna do today is fix this. Rear crash bars, I'm not gonna worry about it, you don't notice it. And it's like from his bags, they just like burned away some of the paint, but it's still got paint on it, so not worried about it, not noticeable. But we are going to do a little sanding of this and then just put some more black enamel on, just to prevent it from, you know, rusting or oxidizing, etc. So I'm starting off with some 220 sandpaper, and I'm just gonna start taking some stuff off. Wipe this down a little bit. That was easy, nice and smooth. So it's just a little bit of the steel, mostly the primer, not too difficult. All I have really is Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint and primer. Black, it's a gloss black, so not ideal, but I'm not going to be spraying it directly on the bike. I'm going to spray it on a brush. and do some touch-up work. Less obvious than just having white specks all over the place. Just gonna do a little spray. And a little bit of touch-up. It's hard to do this and hold the camera, so I apologize. I'm gonna do one more coat off camera and I'll show you the end product. And that is the finished product. Look at that. Like new, a little bit shinier, but not super noticeable. I'm happy with how it came out. That's it. Remember to subscribe, it helps out a lot. I need 1,000 subscribers to start making money off these videos, so hopefully we can get there. It will help me in the long run, and maybe I can do better videos. Better videos of the bike, the plane, jeeping. So yeah, see you on the next video.